getting early. Sabi yung ubo ko. Hi, it's a Tuesday. And my voice is so bad. My throat itch so bad. Kanina sa bus, grabe yung ubo ko. May tubig naman ako in my mask, pero sobrang nakakayari. And yeah, I was not able to film pagdating ko kasi hindi ko na si Palash pagdating ko. Pagdating ko pa ulit-ulit. Oh, shit. Nice. I'm just fixing the tax invoices. And it's already 5 naman, so pauwi na rin ako. Kasi ayoko nang umubo na naman ang umubo sa bus. My dinner tonight, is care of Hannah and Ate G. Ang tangi ambag ko sa dinner ko today ay rice. Yeah, and for my lunch tomorrow, it's the adobo na kinain ko from Ate G. Anyway. Ang pangit ko. It's 10:30. Papasok pa lang ako kasi grabe yung ubo ko kagabi talaga. Second quarter na?
الموقف التالي أبراج الشرق مدخل جيم. Next stop is.
Good morning, it's finally Thursday. So, baba ako mamaya. Ihahatid ko tong laptop ni Sir Barat kasi it's not feeling well. So, mag-work from home siya. heading home. It's a Friday, so yeah, it's a Friday. So plan ko sanang pupunta ako sa Vlogmas to buy something. But then I realized na baka busy na naman yung metro. So I'll just gonna stay home and do the laundry. So yeah. And sleep early so I can walk tomorrow. I'm gonna have my nails done. I am home. Iiwan ko pa to sa labas. OMG, buti na lang nakuha nila at Hazel. Anyway, I am home. Dito tayo para sa paganda. Yeah, I am home. And nakabili lang ako ng one parang jogging jacket. Ito kay Adidas. I'm not sure if totoong Adidas. And then shorts. Nagagamitin ko tomorrow for swimming.
Know that I miss you, but I'm conflicted. The way that I feel about you, no, I should not feel it. And if you were the answer to all these questions, I think I'll be a man first. Admit that I made a mess here. Yeah, I made a mess here. Well, I made a mess here.
Sorry kasi nangiinject kaya alam mo naglalakad na lang ako.
Ah, talaga? Pag umaga? Oo. Up to the beach. Para akong lalaki sa very California yung ano nila.
Diba? Sa inyo mas maganda dito kaysa sa heights.
Very California king bed.
Sa gabi maganda dito, diba?
into the water, but got caught up in the sky. Rocking in a spiral, barrels I'm winding down somewhere. Up in the sand, confident.
Blue? Sa bagay, okay lang. Parang pangit yung ano. Parang mahimol-mol. Ito labo.
Gusto mo yan? Maroon?
Alam mo, drying mark, buli, diba?
Ang ganda yan. Ang ganda.
ये है ना